Hello to my dear students. Welcome back to English classes, and once again here is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher. Now today in this video we are going to study about articles. Now let us understand what are articles. Articles are used to point out or refer to nouns. A, N and the are called articles. There are two types of articles: indefinite articles and definite articles. Now what are indefinite articles? A and N are called indefinite articles because they do not refer to any particular or definite person, place or thing. Example, as an umbrella, a boy, a book. Definite articles. The is called the definite article because it always points out some particular object. Example, this is the boy who had stolen my purse. Now let us understand the rules of articles. We use a before a word that begins with a consonant. The second rule is important because a word beginning with a vowel but sounding like a consonant. A 1 rupee coin, though the word is starting with a vowel, but we have used a. Why so? Because the sound of v is coming. A European, though it's starting with vowel, but the sound of y is coming. That is why. A utensil, sound of y. If a sentence is spoken emphatically, Rome was not built in a day, we use a. N is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound, A, E, I, O, U. Now again here, the second rule is important. We use N before a word beginning with a consonant but having a vowel sound. NMBA, the sound of a is coming. That is why we have used N. NR, though it's starting with a consonant, but the sound of a, R is coming. So we have used N. The same thing goes with an honest man, the sound of O. We use the before ordinal numbers, before superlative adjectives. Example, you are the best. The second seat in that row is mine. We use the when there is only one such thing. Example, the moon, the sun. We use the when naming a noun that refers to an entire group of its kind. Example, the whale is a mammal. We use the when a person, place, animal or thing is mentioned a second time. We have a test tomorrow. We want to do well in the test. The second time test, a become the. We use the when it is clear which person, place, animal or thing is being referred to. We had two glass jars, a red one and an amber one. The amber one jar is very expensive. We use the before the names of oceans. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Names of rivers and sea. The Ganges is a sacred river. Names of desert. The Thar Desert is in the western India. Name of landmarks. I live behind the fire station. Names of monuments. The Taj Mahal is an epitome of love. Names of newspapers, magazines and books. The Times of India is a popular English newspaper. Names of hotels and restaurants. The Lands End Hotel is very expensive. We do not use the with the following proper nouns: name of continents, streets and most countries, names of lakes and mountains, names of days, months and festivals, names of people.